This tree feeds ants, shelters sloths, and rebuilds entire forests. Meet the trumpet tree, Cecropia peltata, a fast-growing tropical pioneer that races into damaged landscapes and kickstarts the recovery of entire ecosystems. It can grow 2 to 3 meters in a single year, making it one of the fastest-growing trees in the neotropics. Its hollow stems aren't empty. Fierce Azteca ants live inside, and the tree actually produces special nutrient-rich food bodies called Müllerian bodies to feed them. In return, the ants defend the tree from herbivores and smothering vines. Its fruit feeds over 50 species of bats, birds, and primates. Three-toed sloths prefer Cecropia above almost any other tree, earning it the nickname the sloth tree. And those hollow stems? Indigenous peoples of the Amazon use them as blowguns and trumpets, which is exactly how it got its name. Plant at the start of the rainy season in full sun. This tree demands light and won't tolerate shade. Space them 8 to 10 meters apart and give them consistent moisture. They thrive in areas receiving 1,500 to 3,000 millimeters of annual rainfall. Do plant it to restore degraded tropical land or create wildlife corridors. It's a brilliant nurse tree for slower-growing species, but don't plant it outside the tropics. It has zero frost tolerance, and never introduce it in non-native tropical regions. It's listed among the world's worst invasive species in places like Hawaii, parts of Africa, and Southeast Asia. Short-lived but profoundly generous, the trumpet tree doesn't build a forest for itself. It builds one for everything that comes after. Restore, protect, inspire.